Welcome, Barbara here. In this video, I'm going to share with you 3 simple yet sexy bachata dance moves to help you spice up your dancing so that you look and feel your best when you dance bachata. Alright, so let's start with the first move, which is a bent over move. This is what it looks like. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. First, I'm going to mirror you so that you can see what I'm doing, and then I will face away from you. So on one, we're going to step with our right to the side. And I want to make sure that our feet are in this position, with our left toes pointing forward and our right toes pointing diagonally to the side. What we also want to do on one is open our chest. Okay, so the chest is open and we are pushing our shoulder blades together. And then we want to keep going down on 2, 3, and 4. And on 4, we want to drop our head down as well. Now you can relax your knees if you want. It will look more natural and you'll probably feel more comfortable as well. On 5, we're going to look forward, okay, 5, and start coming back up on 6, 7, 8. And I can't see anything. Okay, so let's go one more time from 1, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And we want to make sure that our shoulder blades are together. We want to have a slight arch to our back as we are going down, but also as we are coming back up. Okay, let's do it one more time. 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And let's go one more time. 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And as you can see, my arms are just sliding down my legs and then back up. Let's do it one more time. 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then from here, we can put it together with the basic step. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And go one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. 7, 8. All right, now let's move on to the second move, which is a head roll. This is what it looks like. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Before we put it together with the basic step, let's focus on the head first. We're going to tilt it to the right, slightly to the right. From here, bring it to the back, to the left, down, to the right again. And from here, we come back up. Let's go one more time. We're going to tilt it slightly to the right, then go to the back, to the left, down, to the right again, and from here we come back up. Now you don't have to do a full circle like this because it might be pretty challenging to keep up with the rhythm and you might lose balance. You can make it smaller. So when you do the head roll, make sure you can see something in front of you the whole time, okay? So even when I'm in the back, I can still see myself in the mirror. Go down, to the side, and we come back up. Okay, let's try it one more time. We go to the side, to the back, to the other side, down, back to the right, and we come back up. Let's do it one more time. 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we come back up on 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's go one more time. 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And now let's put it together with the basic step. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's go one more time. 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. Well then, ladies, now let's move on to our final move, which is a hip roll. This is what it looks like. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We're going to start with our feet together. On one, we're going to step with our right to the side and bring our hips to the side as well. I'm mirroring you, okay? So we're going to the right. Now on 2, we'll move our hips to the back and start making a half circle to the other side. As we are shifting our body weight on our left. Now from here, we'll make another half circle forward and to the right. Now our body weight is on the right, and on 4, we tap with our left together. Okay, let me show you one more time. We go 1, 2, 3, and on 4, all we do is step with our left together. Okay, let's go one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, and again 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. And as you can see, I'm shifting my weight from one leg to the other. Okay, so on 1, my body weight is on the right, on 2, on the left, on 3, on the right again, and it remains here on 4 as well. Let's go one more time. 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4. If you feel like you need to rush on 2, what you can do on 1 is push your hips to the right and slightly to the back, like this. 1. And from here, you just keep going to the other side on 2, 3, and on 4 you tap. Okay, let's go again. 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4. Another important thing here is to keep our knees straight as we are pushing our hips to the back. And we also want to arch our back slightly. So I'm pushing my shoulder blades together, chest is open, and you can also tilt your body slightly forward. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's go one more time. 7, 8, 1, 2, 3. And basic step 5, 6, 7. And again. 1, 2, 3. Basic step 5, 6, 7. And again. 1, 2, 3. Basic step 5, 6, 7, and last time 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that was all for this class. Thank you very much for dancing with me. Please let me know in the comments below which dance move you like the most, if it's the first one, the second one, or the third one. And if you'd like to see more content like this, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. In the meantime, you can watch this video to learn feminine arm styling variations or check out my playlist over here with Bachata lady styling tutorials.